Identifying your estate goals is pivotal. Consider your assets, debts, and beneficiaries. Your objectives might include wealth preservation, minimizing taxes, or ensuring financial stability for your heirs. Tailor your plan to meet these specific aims to create a legacy that endures. Drafting a will is fundamental. It outlines how your assets will be distributed and who will care for minor children. Without a will, state laws dictate asset distribution, which may not align with your wishes. Ensure your intentions are legally documented. Selecting a power of attorney is vital. Should you become incapacitated, this individual will manage your financial affairs. Choose someone trustworthy and capable, ensuring your matters are handled with integrity and in accordance with your preferences. Implementing a living will safeguard your healthcare wishes. It outlines your preferences for medical intervention if you're unable to communicate them. This document is crucial to ensure your medical and end-of-life care aligns with your values and desires. Consistently reviewing your estate plan is essential. Life changes like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child necessitate updates to ensure your plan remains relevant and effective. An outdated estate plan can create complications for your loved ones. Estate planning is a profound expression of care for your loved ones, ensuring they are provided for and that your wishes are honored. It's a journey, and we're here to guide you through it. To delve deeper into wealth building, financial literacy, and economic empowerment, especially within the Black community, visit theblackbusinessschool.com. Let's build, preserve, and pass down wealth together, ensuring prosperous generations to come.